Tesla Giga Texas nearly finished installing Megapack units for its BESS. Tesla Giga Texas has almost completed the installation of Megapack units for its own battery energy storage system BESS, consisting of 68 Megapacks of 2 megawatts each. Tesla Megapacks will store energy from solar panels that are placed on the roof of the factory. Joe Tetmeyer Twitter again shares important insights from his observation of the progress of Giga Texas construction. He said that Tesla has already installed 44 Megapacks on its battery energy storage system BESS located on the factory site. According to the Texas LCRA document regarding this project, the BESS will be formed from 68 Megapack units of 2 megawatts each. The total capacity will be about 136 megawatts. Installing 44 out of 68 Megapack units means the company is nearing completion of installation. As of July 2, Tesla installed 6 Megapacks, which means that 38 units were installed in 15 days. Thus, the average install rate is 2.5 Megapacks per day. This means the remaining units should be installed as early as next week. The 17th of July 2023 Giga Texas. Nearing the end of 3 years of construction. 44 of 68 Megapacks now installed, complete rework of E-casting materials handling structures. E-staging yard cleared out, old house area dirt excavation 2. S-end steel assembly for extension continues and prep. In early March 2021, it was reported that Tesla was entering the Texas electricity market with an unknown construction of a large battery connected to the grid. This project, consisting of 81 Tesla Megapacks, was built in Angleton last year. In late August of that year, the company applied to become an electricity supplier in Texas and announced its plans to enter the state's energy market. The Texas Public Utilities Commission certified Tesla as the state's electricity supplier in a statement dated November 3, 2021. Tesla is pushing for changes to the Texas power grid at all levels, as it has serious problems. Arushi Sharma Frank, U.S. Energy Markets Policy Lead at Tesla, in collaboration with the Electric Reliability Council of Texas ERCOT, has done a lot of work in recent years to achieve further changes to the ratification procedures in Texas to make its power grid reliable. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.